Alright, it's Memorial Day weekend up here in New Hampshire. Finally had a gobbler that sounded off. So I'm getting in the woods now. He's sounding off right over here. So I'm getting him back here. Gonna try and pull him back. Yeah, he just keeps gobbling, so I gotta get in there and get set up quick here. Oh, he's coming. Silent after he gobbled. It sounded like he closed the distance by about half. And then he never gobbled after that. And I didn't want to gobble because I didn't know how close he was. I didn't want to call, I mean. And then there's this berm. And I hear this drumming a little bit. But then all of a sudden I just see this blue and white head coming across the berm. And boom, he came out maybe 20 yards in front of me. Honestly, I missed that first shot. And then luckily, he moved over to the right. There was a little opening on the first shot. I must have just not punched it through. But finally, he came over. Luckily, he didn't run off too quick. And he had just stopped right in this opening, right here. And he's laying on the ground right there. Nice long beard. So, holy crap. I'm shaking right now. Holy crap, I'm turning this off. I haven't been able to hunt that much. I was busy the first 2 weekends in May. Holy crap, I gotta settle down. Oh man. I still get fired up over turkeys, man. It is crazy how fun this is. All right. Well, walking up on him. I'm still shaking. But let's go take a look at this bird. Look, he had a nice beard on him. Oh my God, I haven't been able to hear a bird. Pretty much third morning I've hunted all season. Oh my God, and got it done on a nice bird. There it is. Oh, I can't believe this. What a day. What a day. It's a Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. I can't believe this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he did decent beard on him. Maybe not a true long beard, but he's a nice bird. I was not gonna pass him up. Oh my God. Good bird. See his beard there? Freaking morning, man. Wow. Beautiful weather. Oh. Beautiful weather. Oh man, what a pretty bird. What a nice bird. Ooh, wow. Can't be grateful enough for this. What a day. What a freaking day. There we go. Let's check out his tail here, huh? Look at that. Nice full fan. Oh my goodness. What a bird. What a day. Missed on that first shot. I don't know what happened. Couldn't punch it through that hole, but luckily he came back, and when I didn't come back, just came over to the right here and stopped right just long enough for me to get another shot on him. And he went down. Wow. This is awesome. All right. All right. Wow. Bird down. Heard him down the road. I called down the road and I heard him back in this piece of woods. Circled back to where I knew I could get in here. Maybe 400 yards down the road from where I heard him. As I'm coming in here, I can hear him gobbling and gobbling. It sounds like there was a couple of them. It sounds like there was more than one. One sounded to my left and one sounded more out in front of me. But got down to a spot where I had a decent vantage point, but he was gobbling, getting closer, so I didn't want to push it. Want to sit there. Hopefully got the camera set up decent. Hopefully it's on, the shot's on film. I know I'll probably have it on my GoPro. But we'll just have to review the footage. But sat here, he was gobbling, called him once. He was a decent ways off. Let it sit for a minute. Did a couple clucks on my slate call. And then a couple more with my mouthpiece. Try to make it seem like there was a couple hens over here. And then he gobbled again about half the distance. So I knew he was on a full steam coming down this, coming along this river here. And then I just shut up. I found that if you be quiet, they get curious and they're gonna come looking for you. So I shut up. I was gonna call again, but just thought, I don't know how close he is. All of a sudden, I just see his head poking out from across this berm right in front of me. I'll show it to you. He just came right up this berm, so he couldn't be seen until he was right in front of me. I just saw the white and blue head. He came out to full fan, took that first shot, missed unfortunately.
I came right here, had my second opportunity, racked another shell and dropped him. So I'll show you guys that berm where he came out of, but what a morning. Turkey down. We'll go back. I can sleep in for the rest of the weekend. Success. All right, so I'm standing where the bird went down. I was sitting right up there on that fallen tree that's going across, right where that kind of beginning of the fork is, to the left of that bowed tree right there. This was the hole that I had. And thank God he gave me a second opportunity here. So I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him all pulled out of here. Get back to the truck, and we'll get some good pictures of this guy. So this is that ravine I was telling you he came up. He came right up here. This big berm. Big berm. I was sitting right up behind that tree. So once he got right here, that's when I first saw him. Took the shot, missed. And then he came right out here, and I had another opening and put him down. We're gonna get him dragged out of here. We'll get some good pictures of him.